By the end of the video, you will know unlock incredible push-up benefits. Transform your body today. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Are you ready to transform your body with some incredible push-ups? Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of this classic exercise to reveal its transformative benefits. First and foremost, push-ups are a fantastic exercise for your upper body. They target your chest, triceps, and shoulders, helping you build strength and definition in these areas. Secondly, push-ups are a versatile workout that can be adapted to suit your strength level. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, there's a variation of push-up for you. From standard push-ups to more challenging variations like diamond or elevated push-ups, they offer something for everyone. Thirdly, push-ups are accessible anywhere. No gym membership required. Simply roll out your yoga mats and get started. And when you're on the go, push-ups can be done just about anywhere in the park, at home, or even in your hotel room. Lastly, regular practice of push-ups can help improve your overall fitness level by boosting cardiovascular health and endurance. This means better lung capacity and heart health, a win for both your physical and mental well-being. So what are you waiting for? Start incorporating these incredible benefits of push-ups into your routine today and watch as your body transforms. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and hacks. Stay healthy and fit, everyone.